So you've heard about Skool. Maybe you've seen it mentioned by creator you follow. Or you just search how does Skool work and landed here. Either way, you're in the right place. I'm gonna walk you how to build Skool from scratch. What it is, how to set it up, and how to actually use it step by step. Whether you want to build a community, sell a course, or both, this tutorial will get you started the right way. I've been using Skool to build and manage online communities, so everything I'm showing you is from hands-on experience. Quick thing before we dive in. If you decide Skool is right for you, by the end of this video, I've left my link down in the description below. It's the easiest way to create your account, and it might come with a special offer depending on where you're coming from. The link is right there, completely free to click. Let's get into it. Alright, so first, what even is Skool? Think of it as a combination of two things. Community platform like a private Facebook group, and a course platform like Teachable or Kajabi, but all in one place. And honestly, a lot simpler than both of these. The idea is that the members can interact, ask questions, and engage with each other in the community tab. And at the same time, access your courses or training materials in the classroom tab. Keeps everything in one place instead of sending people to 5 different categories. Skool has a built-in gamification system. Members can earn points for engaging, unlock levels, and that actually keeps people active and coming back. It's one of the reasons communities on Skool tend to feel more alive than on other platforms. So let's start from zero. You can go to the link in my description that takes you straight into Skool sign-up page. You'll see a simple form. Enter your name, email, and create a password. That's it. Skool does have a paid plan. It's a flat monthly fee for creators who want to run their own group, but you can explore the platform first before committing. Go ahead and create your account and I'll meet you on the other side. If you want a step-by-step process for creating this account, you can check my first video and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Now let's create your first group. So usually you'll be asked to give it a name and a description, which is what your community will see. But I've already done this in my previous video, so you want me to give you a step-by-step breakdown on how to create your community, you can check it out there. So just make sure that it is clear and relevant to your topic. Do not overthink it, and you can change it anytime you wish to. Now, once you're inside your group, which is this page, you'll notice that there are a few main tabs across the top. Let me walk you through each one quickly. First is the community tab, which is the one we're on. This is your main feed. Kind of works like a social media feed. Members can post, comment, react, and interact with you. As the owner, you can post announcements, ask questions, share wins, whatever keeps your audience engaged. Second, the classroom tab. This is where your courses and training content live. You can organize your training into modules, add videos, texts, PDFs, pretty much any format that you want basically. If you've used any of the course platform before, this will feel familiar to you. The calendar. So the calendar is one of the fastest ways to build a community, which is getting your members to hang out either through Zoom, through Google Meet, or in person. So anything that you want to do in regards to scheduling, this is the best place to do so. The members tab. Here you can see everyone who's joined your group, their activity, their level on the leaderboard, and you can even message these members directly from here, which is great for onboarding new people instantly. And then there's the leaderboard. This is the gamification piece I mentioned earlier. Members earn points every time they post, comment, or complete a course lesson. The more they engage, the higher they climb. You can even unlock access to certain content based on level. You can gate your best stuff behind engagement. Really smart feature to have. So you want to go back to your classroom. Click on add course, or new course in this case, and you can add some content. So you can give it a title, a description, and then you can start building out your module. To me, I already have something prepared, which is the Instagram growth system. And basically, this is a free course that shows online coaches how to grow on Instagram, attract the right audience, and sign clients consistently. Now, inside each module, If you click on add, there will be a section where you can add lessons. For each lessons, you can upload a video, embed a YouTube video or a video link, write text content, or attach a file. It's very flexible. The interface is drag and drop. If you could take a look here, you can edit it. You can just put anything in here. You can put your Instagram, for example. It's gonna show up there. If you're gonna put in YouTube, you can put in your YouTube video link. Anything goes there. Now, once your content is in, members who have access to the classroom can work through it at their own pace and mark their lessons as complete. Now, here's the part where most people get confused. You can choose to make your classroom open to everyone in the group, or you can lock specific courses behind a higher membership level or a separate paid access. That gives you a lot of flexibility in how you structure your offers. So we're almost there. Let's quickly take a look at your group settings. So you want to go back to your community, click on settings, and you'll find options related to uploading a group image in the general tab. So you want to upload an image, upload a cover photo, write a description, and set your privacy level. In my case, I have already uploaded my icon, cover, and set up my group description as well. Now, if you go to your pricing tab, this is where you can make sure that your community is free. So the welcome message is actually really important as well. The moment someone joins, they get this message automatically. Use it to tell them what to do first. Either introducing themselves in the community, checking out a specific course, or whatever your onboarding flow is. First impressions matter, even in a digital community. Last step is getting people in. So if you click on this invite button, you'll find a shareable invite link. Copy that and send it to whoever your audience is. Your email list, your Instagram page, your YouTube description, wherever you wish to place these links. People will click the link, create a free Skool account if they don't have one, and they're inside your community in the next 60 seconds. That's it. No complicated onboarding, no headaches. Okay, so let's recap what we've just covered. You now know what Skool is and why it's different from other platforms. You've seen how to create your account, set up your group, add course content, and customize your settings in inviting your first members. Honestly, Skool is one of the simplest tools out there for building a paid or free community around what you do. If you've been putting it off because it felt complicated, I hope this showed you it really is not. You can have something up and running today. If you're ready to get started, the link is right below this video in the description. That's my link. And it takes you straight into Skool's sign up page. Depending on where you're watching, there might be a special offer attached, so it's worth clicking just to check. Now go create your account, set up your group, and start building. You don't need everything to be perfect on day one. Just get it live and improve as you go. That's how every successful community started. And if you got questions, drop them down in the comments. I actually read them, and I'll do my best to answer. I hope that helped, and I'll see you in the next one.